How to recover a Telegram account if you lost your phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you recover Telegram account lost phone number. So let's get started. First, you can try it on your linked devices. If you are still logged in into Telegram on your another phone, tablet or desktop app, simply open Telegram on that. After you open Telegram, at the bottom right, simply tap on settings. From settings section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now from here, on the section privacy, simply tap on phone number and from there, you can update a new phone number immediately. Second, you can use your email if added. Telegram doesn't use email by default, but if you linked one, check your recovery email for login help. Step 3. You can contact Telegram support. If you don't have access to your old number, simply open Telegram app and tap on the option help. If you get it, simply tap on contact support team and you'll have to explain your issue. At last, you can use new SIM card with same number. Simply, it is possible, contact your mobile carrier or request a replacement SIM for your lost number. This is the easiest way to get back into your Telegram account. After that, you'll be able to recover your old Telegram account if you haven't lost your phone number. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.